Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to create a high ceiling tutorial video using Home Design 3D app. So let's start. So for that, I'm going to create a base area for the house. Just going to create to the size I want. Then I'm going to switch to 3D view so that I can adjust its height. The minimum height in Home Design 3D is 0.3 meters. So yeah, that's it. Then above that base, I'm going to add 2 rooms to be exact. I'm just going to adjust the thickness of the room to 0.10 meters, just like that. So yeah, that will be it for the first room. Then I'm going to add another room, just like that. That would be the sala area. In order to have a high ceiling, we just need to adjust it to 5 meters. Then hide it. Did you see that? That's the trick part in this video. You just need to hide the wall. Take a look on this one. I'm going to hide the wall again. See that? That's the trick part. It's so amazing, right? I love this feature of Home Design 3D. It helps me a lot. And on the second floor or on the loft area, I'm just going to add another room and design it the way I want it. Basically, that's it for the high ceiling tutorial, but I'm going to continue in the speed build video of this house. So if you want to watch it, you are free to watch it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I hope this video will help you a lot in creating your future house design using Home Design 3D app. So yeah, enjoy watching the rest of this video. God bless!